Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the mass defect and binding energy, one of the critical topic in class 12th. So you can see that this is the atom and center of the atom is a nucleus, and in orbit electron are revolving around the nucleus, and nucleus contain two important element, one is proton and one is neutron, and proton plus neutron we used to call as nucleons. So learn this terminology, one is nucleus, one is nucleons. Now let's try to understand how we generally write a atom. Generally we write atom like X. In below side we used to write a atomic number and top of the side atomic mass or mass number. For example, in sodium we used to write a 11 sodium 23. So number of electron in sodium is 11, that is equals to Z. Number of proton is also 11, that is also equals to Z. And number of neutron is A minus Z, which means 23 minus 11 is equals to 12. So we have 11 proton, 12 neutron. So total number of nucleons if we will talk about, then 11 plus 12, that is 23. So let's calculate the mass of nucleons. Mass of nucleons is equals to mass of proton plus mass of neutron. Proton mass, how we will calculate? We know the one proton mass and we will multiply how many protons, so Z into mass of proton. We know the number of neutron is equals to A minus Z, so A minus Z into mass of neutron. So this will give us mass of nucleus. Mass of nucleons. And mass defect is when we create a nucleus from nucleons, some mass is disappear, that mass is called mass defect. Mass defect, mass disappear to form a nucleus from nucleons. Some mass is disappear, that we used to call it mass defect, which means we have to calculate mass of nucleons minus mass of nucleus, that will give us mass defect. So first we calculate the mass of nucleons, that is Z is mp plus A minus Z into mn, and then we will minus it mass of nucleons. Similarly, as we know, Einstein give us equation E बराबर mc square, so every mass can be converted into a energy. So binding energy, the energy required to bind a nucleons into nucleus, कि जो एनर्जी है न्यूक्लियंस को बांधे रखेगी न्यूक्लियस के अंदर, दैट एनर्जी इज कॉल्ड बाइंडिंग एनर्जी. सो मास डिफेक्ट वी कैलकुलेट एज ए डेल्टा m. सो बाइंडिंग एनर्जी विल बी delta m into c square, because generally energy equation is E बराबर mc square, so binding energy will be delta m into c square. So mass defect into c square, where c is the speed of light. We will practice more numerical on this topic in next video. Thank you.